Okay, guys. Good morning to all. Good morning, David, Agatha, Miraculin, Christiana. Everyone, good morning. Let me put the everyone please join the class. Okay, guys. So yesterday we were doing some questions on simple interest, rate and principal. So who has doubt in that? Can you tell me?
So I have a doubt on the fifth question.
You have a doubt in fifth question.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Bravo, bravo. Let me just go back saying, it's Paris. Then we have downloads. And then we have no downloads. Then we have check eight. Open with those things. Perfect. Perfect. Very good. Okay. So now this question says, question number fifth, in which how much time one what you're saying no?
Yes, sir.
Christiana?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. So we'll put the okay. So in how much time will simple interest on a sum of money be 2/5 of the sum at the rate of the 10% per annum? Okay. So the question is saying how much time it will take that the simple interest will become 2/5 of the sum. So we don't know the simple interest, we don't know the sum. So basically, let let the sum be P. Call करो ना. Let the sum be P. And can you see? Can you read this relation? Miracle. Can you read this relation?
Uh, uh,
Simple
simple
interest.
interest on a sum of money be 2/5 of the sum at the rate of 10% per annum.
No, no, just only this one. So it means that the interest, the simple interest, will be 2/5 of the principal. Did you understand? No. Hmm? So it means that I will be 2 by 5 into P. So I is equals to 2 by 5 P or 2P by 5. And rate is 10%. Did you understand? In how much time will simple interest on a sum of money be the sum? Yeah. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? So we have this question: P into R into T by 100. Now I is 2 by 5 of P into R, 10 into time upon 100. This and this will cut. So 20 upon 5, P is equals to P into T. This P and this P will cut. 5 1s are 5 4s are. The time will be 4. You got this? Yes, David.
Sir, I had a doubt in the seventh question.
You have doubt? Yeah, we'll take that. Everyone understood? Christiana Miracle? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you saw the way how I answered the fifth question. Was that way also correct?
Okay, let me check. Let me check. I'm checking. You guys are it. Agatha, you are just always you are seeing the questions from the guide and then you're writing, or you are just doing first and then you check.
Not always like some questions. First, I try to do it on my own. Then when I get confused, I'll try to look into the guide. More like I try to get the clue from the guide, like one step only.
Okay. So you predict that the principal is 100 rupees. I mean, uh, predictions, I believe, not always work. Yes, it works, but it will be good if you will not take P as 100 rupees, or if you will solve like this. Because here we are not taking any prediction, we are just taking as a variable, which is P. Are you getting this? No. Did you understand?
Yes,
You
sir.
took PV as 100 rupees and then 100 into 2 by 5. You did it in 40 rupees and then you get the same answer as I got. But here the problem in this is you predicted as 100 rupees. Yes, we did one question also in which we also took as a prediction. But in that part, we can't solve it in another way also. Okay, so and if you will do another way, which will be very complicated for you to understand. But this one is not that much complicated. I mean,
So,
sometimes it's work, sometimes it's not work. So I request you guys to take only PU, not prediction. Yes, Miracle.
like, can you see my answer of fifth? Like, it's
Yes,
just
let me check. Let me check. Wait, your answer. Let me check. Correct is there. Let me open it. David, where is your homework? David.
I sent it.
Yes, that one is correct. That one is correct. So you are doing no, you are seeing from guide for help, Miracle. You are doing by yourself, no?
yeah. I
But
asked help from my mom.
oh yeah. So the main concept is even if you're seeing from guide, the thing is you should understand. Okay, it's not like that you are just copying the answer from the guide or you are just writing the answer from anywhere else. Okay, so writing the answers or giving the homework is not my goal. My goal is you guys just do the homework by yourself. You can understand, ask me. You can see the guide also. But make sure, even if you're writing the answer, you should understand the concept. You should understand the homework. Okay, David? If you will send me the homework, then only I can check. David? Busy with the Goliath? Huh?
I sent it.
What?
Sir, I sent it.
You sent me? Oh, perfect. Perfect. Then I have to check. I am a Goliath. Okay. So now, seventh question you have. The sum of amount to 1 to 6 become 6. Okay. Okay. So we did this type of question. Okay. What doubt you have in seventh one?
No, it was solving, sir.
You want me to solve?
Yes, sir.
A sum of amount to 1265 in 3 years. Means a sum which you don't know, it becomes 1265. So let the principal or the sum be P and the sum of amount becomes 1265 in 3 years. So the amount A1 is dependent upon the principal which is P1, okay, and it becomes to 1265. Okay, so can I write it like this? That A1 is 1265 and the T1, the time period for that is 3 years. Right? Okay. Now in this case also, the amount, the A2 is 1430 and the T2 is 6 years. Got it? Say yes or no? Hmm? Now, what is the formula for I? I formula is P into R into T by 100. Okay. And from this, what I can write? Can anybody unmute and tell me that I can write I as, or we can say I1 as 1265 minus P. Did you understand, Abraham? Why I need minus P, beta? Can you tell me, beta? Like this, how I got this? Can you explain?
Yes, I understood. Amount minus principal is equal to interest.
Amount minus principal is equal. So this is the amount A1 minus the principal is always same. It won't change. No. So the principal is same. So I wrote it like that. So I1 and T1 and rate and this all are always same. It will become 1265 minus P is equals to P into R into what is the T? T is 3 years upon 100. Then I will send this 3 to the left side to become 1265 minus P upon 3 is equals to P into R upon 100. Guys, did you understand? No, you didn't understand. Hmm? Now in this also we have to do like that. So in this I2 will be 1430 minus P. Say yes or no? How? The amount is this, and if you subtract from principal, you get the I2, which is the interest. So, I2 formula will be based on P into R into T2 upon 100. Now, IT, I will put the formula 121430 minus P, okay, and equals to P into R into what is that? 6 years. Into 6 upon 100 factor in anything. Ask me. Guys, did you understand? Say yes or no? So we have this thing and then we have this thing. So David, can I equate these two equations? David, where you went? Okay. Can I substitute like this is also equals to P into R into upon 100? This is also equals to P into R upon 100. So it means that
Sir,
these equation and this equation, can you equate it?
yes, sir. 1265 minus P upon 3 is equal to 1430 minus P upon 6.
Correct. 1265 plus B on 3 is equals to 131430 plus B on 6. Now, what will happen? I will send this 6 to that side. It will become like this. 6 into 1265 minus P upon 3 is equals to 1430 minus P. Now 3 ones are 3 twos are. So it will become like this 2 into 1265 minus P is equals to 1430 minus P. This 2 will multiply with both the terms. So it becomes 0 and then 12 and then 13, then 2 to the 4 and then 5 and then 2. 2530 minus 2p is equals to 1430 minus p. And then I have to solve this. So 2530 minus 1430 is equals to 2p minus p. So it will become how much? 1100 is equals to p. I got the principal at 1100. Wow, for 1100 rupees only, we did this much. 1100 thing fixed.
So,
Guys, did you understand? I
So now, how we will find the percent? Like for me, I got 5% rate and like 1,100. Same.
Simple. See, nothing you have to do. You have to don't go for a person like rate. You are confusing in finding the rate. No, hmm? Just put the value of p into this equation. So it will be 1430 minus 1100 upon 6 is equals to 1100 into r upon rate. You got this? Now I will multiply, like I will do the cross multiplication. So it's gonna be like this: 100 into 1430 minus 1100, and then 1100 into r into 6. Now I will multiply with this 4, so it becomes 143,000 minus 11,000 is equals to 6600 into r. If we will subtract it, what will you get? Any idea? 143 okay, minus 1 x. So I will got answer as 33,000 is equals to 6600 into. Okay. Now if I will go for that, it becomes 33,000 upon 6600 equals to this and this will cut, this and this will cut. Now this 3 if I will cut in the table of 3, so it will become no 11. So 30 and this will become 6 and 6 ones are 6 5s are R 5% more annum.
So can you check my answer in the copy because I did another way, but I got the same answer.
But another Y another Y 50.
so
Correct. Correct. Yes, yes, Abraham.
I got 21.66%.
In your when you send me, let me check. Let me check one more time. Where is Abraham? 8.3 you did. 8.32. 8.33. Oh, okay. So you did 1265 minus P. No? You did minus P also. Yeah, P you got correct. But like principle is correct. Okay. But okay, your principle is correct, but you have to write some steps which I will help in the coming days. No problem. Then you put in sorry 1265 no? 1265. You put this into this reaction, no? Abraham, you put the value of P into this, no? Am I wrong?
Yes, sir. Put it into PI.
So you put the value of P, which is 1100, into R.
Sir,
How the 6?
I understood my mistake, sir.
Okay. I guess you put it into this one, no? If I
Sir,
am not wrong.
I understood my mistake, sir. I did it for the amount, not the interest.
Uh, you understand? No. So, but Abraham, it will be good. Your answer is correct. Okay. But it will be good if you write all these things also. because this will also have marks. For example, if it is a 5 marks question, no? And if I will check your answer, even though your interest is wrong, but if for example you did mistake, but if you will correct that also, still all the answers are correct. As an examiner will only give 4 or 3.5 marks out of 5. You know why? Because this statement is missing half marks. Uh, how you got I1 half marks? What is the formula you are using? Half marks. Like that, they will reduce your marks. So it will be good if you will mention everything and write all the things instead of skipping. Got it? So even though your answer is correct, but you will lose marks. Then there is no use of writing the correct answer. Instead of that, you can write the wrong answer. Okay, so even if you didn't know the answer, yes, guys, this is for everyone. For example, you don't know how to do it. Okay, and if you will leave it, you will not get any mark, and you have time. Okay, you have a lot of time, but what to do you don't know. So instead of that, just write the formulas also. Like what formula can be used in that question. Okay, that you can put, and you can get half marks or 3/4 marks for the attempt. Okay, David, don't write the trigonometric formula here. If the principle is there, like simple interest topic is there, simple interest question is there, don't write the trigonometric one. Sin theta and cos theta here. Okay, here you have to write the simple interest formula only. Did you listen, guys? Say yes or no?
So,
Oh,
can I use the method which I used in the exam?
yeah, you can, you can. Okay, you can do that part. Okay, so we did this thing, we did this question.
Sir,
Yes.
you took maths one day when I was not that well, and I think you have like discussed this. Okay, like I'm stuck in this question, the homework that you gave last time, CYP
Okay.
8.3 question 4.
CYP 8.4.
8.3 question 4.
A vendor buys that one. Yes. Yes or no? Hello. You're mute. Hello. Agatha, I'm asking you. Just saying me. No, with the vendor question, no? A vendor buys a lemon at rate. This one, no? Hello.
Yeah, I
Is this
think.
that question? This one, no?
Yeah.
A vendor one. Okay.
No, it's a man purchased a certain number of mango oranges.
Okay. A man purchased certain amount of oranges in a district. Okay, so in this question, who will help me? Okay, Christian, I will. Okay, she will help me in this question. So you guys can clap for Christian. Yes. Now, can you read this question and can you help me? I can't do this question.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So a
First read
man,
the question and then help.
yes, sir. A man purchased a certain number of oranges at the rate of 2 for rupees 5 and sold them at the rate of 3 for rupees 8. In the process, he gained 20 rupees. Find the number of oranges he bought. So cost price per oranges is 2 by 5, which
Cost price.
is
First, you will write like this.
yeah,
Cost price of
per
two
orange.
oranges. No, it is oranges at the rate of 2 for 5 rupees. Means 2 oranges he buy for 5. No, this question is saying no. No.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So cost price of 2 orange to buy 9. Orange. What is the spelling of oranges? Oranges. Okay, for 5 rupees. Yes.
Yes.
Hmm. Then, what is the cost price of one orange?
Cost price of one orange is 2.50.
2.5. How it become 2.5? Right?
I
5
divide
oranges is
by
for 2.
12.
Yeah. So, 2.5. The cost price of one. What is selling price of one orange?
Selling price of an orange is divided 8 by 3, which is 2.67.
Of one is 3 by 3, which is 2.6. Of course, the selling price is more. Then, what you did?
So can you repeat it? I did not catch you.
Yeah. Now, what will you do?
So now profit gain SP minus CP.
SP minus then
So it's 2.67 minus 2.50, which is
2.67
0.17.
minus 2.50, which is 0.17. So this is a profit on one orange, no? One orange. Which is, yeah, now
So now total number of oranges added profit by profit percent.
then like profit percentage, like I need number of oranges. How much number of oranges is there? Here we need number of oranges we bought. How much oranges is bought?
So I multiplied the profit by the amount he gained. So I got 117. So he bought that much oranges. 117.
117 he bought. He gained only 20 rupees, no? Means the profit is 20 rupees. Then why you multiply it by 100?
Not by 100, sir. I multiplied the profit and the amount he gained. So 0.17 into 20. That's how I got 117.
0.17 into 20 you did, no? So if I will solve it, 21 are 25. So it will be somewhere around like this. Am I wrong? Good point. What answer you get? 120.
No, sir, I didn't do it like by 100. I just directly multiplied.
0.17 into 20 you did, no?
Yes, sir.
So what you got?
So I got 117.65.
So he got 2 for this. 10 means so it is basically like this, no? Not like this. Like profit on one orange is 0.17, no? Okay. So total profit can be calculated number of orange into 0.17. Like total profit, what is total profit he got when the number of orange, like one orange, he is getting 0.17. No, the total profit that he got is number of orange into 0.17. Now, what is total profit? Total profit is 20.
20.
Okay, and into 0.17. If you multiply, it will go. That's how it will divide. So 2 into 0.17 into. Now I will remove this. Then it will become 100 n. Okay, and if I will solve this 2000 divided by 17, 1000 divided by 17, I will get answer as 1 point 17 point, not 17, 117.6. Did you understand?
So isn't it 6.5 or is it 6.4?
6 4 or 6 5. Okay. Okay, why we got 117 instead of 120? Because in the answer is 120, but we got 117. The reason behind that is we convert them into a fraction. If we'll not convert them into a fraction, we'll get the 120. Okay, we convert to decimal. Abhi to. Did you understand? Write it down. Done? Agatha, did you understand? No.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. So we did this thing. Okay. Now we'll do one question. Okay. That question is very easy. I mean, you guys can do this. Where's that page? Then tomorrow we'll start the compound interest. Okay. The question is. Okay. Out of 70,000 to invest for 1 year, a man invests 30,000 at 4% and 20,000 at 3% per annum simple interest. Yes. Means the total amount is 70,000 US. He wants 5% gain in that, 5% interest in that, and he split the amount 30,000 and 20,000. So it means that 20,000 rupees is left. Did you understand? No. Okay. So first of all, we'll calculate the interest on 30,000, and then we calculate the interest on 20,000. Did you understand? Say yes or no. Hmm? So we'll calculate it. So the thing is interest interest for total money. Okay, how much interest he won on total money at the rate of 5%? Like he want a interest of 5% rate. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no. So interest, then it will be P into R into T upon 100. He's a very greedy person. So the principle is like total he is investing 70,000. Rate he want 5% in 1 year upon 100. So it means that he want a total interest in 1 year of his money, which will be 7 5 are 35. 350. Did you understand? So like he want an interest of 33,500 for 1 year. Total interest he want. Are you with me, guys? Say yes or no. Total interest that he want. Yes, Abraham. Did you understand? No.
Yes, I understood. That is such a little amount. I would not invest it if I was him.
Yeah, it's very minimal. Okay. Now second one is he invested 30,000 in at 4%. Okay. So interest he got okay of 30,000 at 4%. At 4%. So interest is equals to P into R into T by 100. So he paid 30,000, like he invested 30,000, and the rate is 4%, and the time is 1 upon 100. If I will solve it, I got 1200. So 1200 interest he got when the rate was 4%. Did you understand? And then second one is interest he got of rest 20,000 at how much? 3%. So I is equals to P into R into T upon 100. So I is equals to P is how much? 20,000. 20,000. And the rate is how much? How much
3%.
rate? Yeah, 3% into time is 1 upon 100. If I will solve it, I'll get interest as 600. So it means that he want an interest of 3,500. And out of 3,500, he received 1,200 from 4%, right? And 600 from 3%. So how much interest is left? Like total interest is equals to interest at 4% plus interest at 3% plus interest at X%, which we have to find. Did you understand? No. Hmm? So total interest is 3,500. He got 600 from 3% and 4% he got 1,200 plus I into X%. So it will become 3,500 is equals to 1,800 plus interest. So it will go that side, so it will become 17. Like he wants the next investment should be 1,700 interest. Did you understand? Say yes or no? Now interest formula is P into R into T upon 100. Like how much interest he want? He wants 1,700 interest. And how much amount is left? Like out of 70,000, 30,000 is invested, 20,000 is invested. How much is left? Only 20,000 is left. Okay. Rate, I don't know. I have to find it out. Time is 1 year upon 100. If I will solve it, I will get answer as
So
It
you're
will
saying
be 200. No?
is it
Sorry?
equal? Is the rate equal to 8.5?
Yes. So it means that the rest, uh, what? Rest rate percentage will be 8.5%. Then he will get the total interest in a year will be 3,500 and he get a total interest gain as 5%. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Ah, ah, ah. Understood? I will send this answer in the group. You guys can write it down at home. Okay. And till then, you guys have 1 minute break. Come back in 1 minute. Oh yeah, it's come back. It come back. So yesterday we did this thing. Everyone turn on the camera, please. Yesterday we did this thing, and we learned that if you will put a glass slab, then you will find it out that these glass slab will show the shift in the light. Yes, it will shift the light. And why the light will be shift? Because of refraction phenomenon. Okay, and yesterday we learned this glass slab experiment. So everyone take out this, write it down what I'm saying. First term is emergent. Emergent.
So, can you repeat
Yes.
again? My net is really bad.
Okay.
So,
So yesterday we learned about this glass slab
yeah,
experiment. Okay. So
yes.
today I am just explaining and giving you terms. You write it down. The first term is emergent ray. Turn on the camera, everyone. Write it down. Emergent ray. Write it down. Emergent ray. Now write it down after that. Well, if a refracted ray, if a refracted ray, if a refracted ray refracted, okay, don't ray, if a ray, okay, sorry, my bad. I said if a refracted ray, no, just cut the refracted from this. If a ray of light, If a ray of light refracted two times, if a ray of light refracted two times, then that ray become emergent ray. Then that ray become emergent. I'll repeat one more time. We are writing the terms. Okay, Joshua? We are writing the terms. I am giving you the definition. Okay, the first was emergent ray. Emergent rays meaning that if a ray refracted two times, that is called as emergent. Then write the next one. Angle of emergence. Angle of emergence. Angle of emergence is the angle. Is the angle. It is the angle between. It is the angle between normal ray, normal ray. It is the angle between normal ray and the emergent. Emergent.
Between, sir, between.
Between normal ray and the emergent ray. No, it is the angle between normal ray and emergent ray. It happens when toddler is playing. We have all was sad and sad, and she was eating papaya, and papaya got fall down on the ground, and then she thought that she had good clothes. She was hiding the fingers in her. Okay, so emergent ray and the normal ray. Okay, done. Now put a next term, lateral displacement. It is a
Repeat it.
lateral displacement. Lateral displacement. It is a shift or a displacement. It is a shift or a displacement. It is a shift or a displacement which happens when 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 a transparent object when a transparent object is placed in the path of a light.
It is a shift or a displacement. After that, what did you say?
When an object is placed, transparent object is placed,
Um,
when a transparent object is placed in the path of the light. The path of the light. Or it is a distance between emergent ray. Maybe can you mute yourself, please?
sorry.
It is a distance between emergent ray and the incident ray in bracket, write it down, undeviated.
Sir,
Yeah.
my net is like it's not very well, so I didn't get after the thing is like when a transparent object is placed in the path of the light. After that, what did you say?
Or it is a distance or it is a distance between emergent ray. It is the distance between emergent ray. It is the distance between the emergent ray or the ray or the incident ray or the incident ray. In bracket, write it down undeviated. Undeviated.
So what is in brackets?
Undeviated.
Undeviated.
Deviated. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
so lateral distance, it is a shift or displacement which happens when a transparent object is placed on the path of light.
Hmm.
Or is the distance between emergent ray and deviation?
Or the incident ray in bracket, write undeviated.
Distance between emergent ray or incident ray?
Or incident ray, this incident ray, which is undeviated. Undeviated. It is not undeviated, it is undeviated. Okay? Okay. Now put a heading refractive index. It is very easy topic, but if you didn't understand, then you didn't. So put a heading refractive index.
So refracted what?
Index.
Index. Okay.
I'll put the heading. Now, what is the meaning of refractive index? Okay. Refractive index is basically when a light travels from one medium to another medium. Yes, when a light travels from one medium to another medium, there is a bending of light. Did you understand? We'll take one example. For example, we have this is a medium separation light. Medium separation light.
So
And in the medium yes.
the video that you showed yesterday, that is refractive index.
No, that is the normal glass experiment which I showed. But here now we will understand what is refractive index. Okay. So here I am explaining that part, and it is that for example this is two mediums we have. We have here two mediums, which is medium one and this one is medium two. Okay. Now what happens? For example, we'll take the medium one as air and the medium two as glass. Okay. So obviously, who is the denser? Glass is denser because it is solid. The particles are very near to each other, and the air is rarer, which is particles are far away from each other. So, if you will put so this is the thing. Okay. So if a light will travel from rarer medium to denser medium, then we learn what will happen. Anybody can unmute your mic. Tell me the what will happen to this.
Light translation is happening. The translator light.
The light will move towards the normal.
We want to stop first. So we have to get it's from denser to rarer. It is away. Include these things in our
Sorry.
light, right?
Voice. Loud background voice is here.
So when the denser to rarer, the Light means it's moving away from us, right?
Yeah, you're saying the answer, no? Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yes, yes. It will move towards the north. This is the way. Okay. So we learn this thing. Okay. Now, what happens that because the light moves towards the normal, so that here in the speed of light will decrease also. We learn that also that because the speed of light decreases, the light will bend towards the normal. We learn that thing also. Now, how much light speed will decrease is based upon the what is the refractive index of the glass. I'm repeating this statement. Just listen carefully. How much light decreases, it depends upon the refractive index of a glass. Now, from this statement, what we can conclude, we can say that refractive index is the nature of material which reduces or increases the speed of light. It can increase
So
also.
can you so
How
can
it
you
can be
repeat that?
increased? Yeah, I will write it down the definition. First, listen it. So I am saying that refractive index is the property of the material or the nature of the material which helps in increasing or decreasing the speed of light. Decreasing, we have this case like the speed of light is entering from rarer to denser, the speed of light is decreasing. How much it will decrease? It depends upon the refractive index that we will calculate. Okay. Increasing, how increasing? If a light is traveling from denser to rarer, speed will increase. How much it will increase? It also depends upon the refractive. Did you understand? So we got one conclusion. The conclusion is very simple. The conclusion is refractive index is the refractive index is the oh wait is the nature of material which which gives an which gives an information that how much speed increases or increases. Or now please pay attention. This is the important part. I am introducing the formula for you. The thing is, first I will tell you the trick. Listen the trick. Okay. Now we have here two mediums. First is glass and the second one is air. If the question will come, if the question will come that find the refractive index of glass. Okay, please listen, then only I will take your time. If the question will come, find the refractive index of glass, then how will you do this? Which refractive index they are asking? Glass refractive index they are asking. So the
Yes, that's right.
speed of light in glass will come in the denominator. See, listen. The formula will become refractive index of glass will be speed of light in air upon speed of light in glass. I'm repeating again, please listen carefully. They are asking the refractive index of glass. Yes, whomsoever they will put like refractive index of water, refractive index of glass, refractive index of that, refractive index of that. So whatever they will ask, that speed will always come in the denominator. And the second medium, like air or any other medium, will come in the this. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no. Okay, now for example, we'll take one more example. Okay, another example is if they ask what is the refractive index of air, like find the refractive index of air. So we have air two medium, air and glass obviously. So if they're asking refractive index of air, so which speed will come in the denominator? Quickly unmute and say.
Air.
Yeah, so
And
refractive index of air with respect to glass, so it will become speed of light in glass upon speed of light in air. If they are asking air, refractive index of air, the speed of light in air will come in the denominator. Simple as that. This is the trick to solve. This is the trick to solve. Now quickly write it down. Write it down this thing, then we'll do some questions for more clarity and then you guys will get it. So you have to write all these things, guys. All these things, write it down. Quickly write it down. Then we'll do one question. Only one question we'll do, and then tomorrow we'll do more questions and more complicated ones. Done writing?
No, sir.
Quickly write it down.
Answer.
Everyone done? Everyone done?
Done, sir.
Write it down this quick. If
Sir,
yes,
main things of fairer and denser will be air and glass only, right?
yeah. So it depends upon which mediums are there. We'll do one question. Write it
Okay.
on this question. Write on this question. If the speed of light in air, if the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, if the speed of light in air, write it on this question, Abraham also. If the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second,
Sir, can you repeat that number again?
if the speed of light in air, Nidhi, can you mute? If the speed of light in air is 3 to the 10 to the power 8 meter per second,
3
3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and speed of light in water, speed of light in water is, and speed of light in water is 2.4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Speed of light in water is 2.4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Then calculate and in first part write it down, refractive index. Ri is refractive index, okay? Refractive index of water with respect to air, and the second one is refractive index of air with respect to, okay, these two things there. Okay, now how to solve this? So everyone fold your hands and please pay attention. Please pay attention. This is important question. That is why if you get this, then you get everything. If you didn't get it, then you are you will not get anything. You are eliminated like Brazil and everything. Okay. So now listen. Here we have the refractive. First question is refractive index of water. Refractive index of water. What formula you can make from this? If I will write the refractive index of water, now I am writing with respect to as a short form as WRT. Okay, you can write this also with respect to N. What formula you can make? Which refractive index they are asking? They are asking for the water. So which speed of light will come in denominator?
Water.
Yes, so speed of light in air upon
Speed of light.
speed of light in water. So if I will put the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and speed of light in water is 2.4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This and this will cut. If I will remove this decimal point, 10 will automatically come in the numerator. 3 ones are 3 eights are, and then if I will solve it, it will come 5 ones are, 5 fours are, and if I will solve it, I will get answer as how much? 1 and then 50. It will become 1 and 50 and 10. 1.5, no? 1.25. 1.2. So here I am getting refractive index of water with respect to air will be 1.25. Everyone got this? Say yes or no?
Sir, can you tell one more time? Can you do one more time the calculation? The
See,
division.
you got the formula. How to make the formula? Like the
Yes.
question is water
Yeah.
asking, you have to put the water in the denominator. Now
Yeah.
3 into 10 to the power 8 is there. 3 into 10 to the power 8 is there upon 2.4 into 10 to the power 8 is there. 10 to the power 8 and 10 to the power 8 will cut.
Yes.
If I will remove the decimal point, because after decimal only one digit is there, 10 will come in the numerator.
Yes.
3 ones are, 3 eights are, then it will become 10 fives are, 10 fours are. If you will divide it, you will get answer as 1.2.
So,
So you will
2.4, right? Which is
1.25. If you will divide that,
not the
you will get
not
1.1.
that. Like I'm asking, like 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2, 0.4 into the 10 to the power 8. So 10 to the power of 8 point 10 to the power 8 will cut 2.4. That's what I'm not able to understand. What did you do?
If you will remove the 2.4, okay, then point if you will remove, then 10 will come in the numerator. So above is 3 into 10 and the below is 24 because you remove the decimal. Okay. So whenever you are removing decimal point, if it is in the numerator, then the 100 or 10 will come in the denominator. If you are in denominator, then 110 will come in the numerator. Did you understand, guys? Say yes or no. Okay. Now second part is refractive index of air with respect to water. You guys solve it. Quickly solve it. We have 2 minutes. Make the formula, put the values, solve it. Make the formula, put the values, solve it.
I have to write this one also.
Quickly write it down.
You said to listen, so I didn't write it.
Quickly write it down. So no problem. Effective index of air with respect to water.
So since it's air, the air one will always be in the denominator, right?
Yeah, who like whatever they ask if refractive index of air, they're asking refractive index of glass. If they're whatever they're asking, that speed will always come in the denominator. Simple as that. No need to think anything else.
Sir, set an answer.
You send me the answer, and I believe you are correct. Very good. But steps are needed. You made the formula? You wrote the formula also? Or you simply divided?
Yes. No, sir, I got the formula, sir.
Yeah, you have to write the formula. Abraham, did you understand? Abraham? Now, what formula you can make from this? Can you tell me? Like refractive index of air with respect to water. So tell me the formula quickly, Abraham. Which speed will come in denominator? Yeah, tell me the formula. How will you make the formula?
Speed of upon speed of light in air upon speed of light in water.
In no, no. Which they are asking? Refractive index of air they are asking. No? They are asking for the air. So speed of
Light
say.
in air upon speed of light in water.
No. If they are asking for the air will come in the denominator.
Speed of light in water.
Yeah. So Abraham, did you understand? I'm saying that if they're asking for the air, that will come in the denominator. If they're asking air water will come in the denominator. If they're asking glass will come in the denominator. Did you understand, Abraham? No. So the water speed will come in the numerator and the air speed will come in the denominator. So just put the formulas for that. What is the speed of light in water? It is mentioned as 2.4 into 10 to the power 8 upon what is the speed of light in air? 3 into 10 to the power 8. Cut it. You will get answer as 0. Did you understand? 0.8 is the answer. Okay. Now we will stop here only. I hope you have enjoyed the class. You have understood everything. Tomorrow we'll do more questions for more. Okay. Tomorrow you have to. Tomorrow we'll do more questions for more clarity. one thing. Uh, just you guys can write it on the top of your copy. Only one of the student for the remind. Like you have to remind me, sir. Refractive index lesser or more than. You can write this statement. Refractive index lesser than and more than. Okay, just write it down on the top of your copy to remind me to start the class from tomorrow. This time. Refractive index lesser than more than. Just remind me like that. I'll understand. Okay, one of the student can write and you can uh, tell me that sir we have to start. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Bye bye. Shubhakar, Abraham, Agatha, everyone. Bye bye. Good
Bye,
night.
sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye. Thank